everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Mango Mojito Chicken. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Okay, let's get into it. So as always, you want to make sure your hair is up, your hands are clean, no jewelry, and then you can get started. So the first thing that I like to do is turn on the oven, which I've already done because there's nothing worse than finishing everything and then you forgot, oh no, I forgot to turn on the oven. Now I gotta sit here and wait for it to preheat for 5 hours. So this recipe in particular you can do in the oven or on the grill, but it happens to be monsooning today, so I'm just gonna do it in the oven. And for this recipe, all you're gonna need is your chicken. We have some mangoes here. You have mint. I have actually pineapple mint. I thought that'd be really cool to use since we're doing like a citrus chicken. Some lime juice, olive oil, garlic powder, red pepper flakes. I'm not going to put red pepper flakes on mine because I'll literally die. And then we're going to use the chicken. Now, I've already filleted all my chicken. Now, the reason I do this is that so all the pieces just cook more evenly. They don't take as long to cook if they're smaller and everything like that. And we're going to mix all this together and make our little marinade. And then we're going to take our foil wrap and roll it out, and then you're going to stick evenly a dollop of this mixture and then a piece of chicken, and we're going to bundle it all up and then just put it on our baking sheet and into the oven, and that's literally it. How cool is that? That's our pineapple mint. So you can see how different the leaves look than normal mint. So good. So I left the mint just how it was so you guys could see it, but I'm just going to go really quick, wash it, and slice them up really thin. Alright, so our mint is sliced and now we're ready to add all the ingredients in. I'm going to add the mangoes in last because I want to make sure all this stuff is mixed in good, and then I'm just going to toss them in the mangoes. So I'm going to put in our mint. Now with the mint, a tip that I have when you're cutting them is you want to first wash everything, but then kind of pat everything dry. That way everything's not so soaked and sticky and all over the place when you're trying to cut. Alright, so next we're going to do our olive oil. Okay. Grab my favorite little mini spatulas from TJ Maxx. I feel like I shout them out in every video, but like I use these spatulas anytime I make anything. And next we have our lime juice and our garlic powder. Red pepper flakes. I'm gonna add those like I said last. I'm gonna sprinkle them in on all the chicken besides mine because I can't handle it. So we're gonna do some salt and pepper. And then I'm just going to take a whisk and whisk it all together. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take an even bigger spatula, and then I'm just going to add in the mangoes and then toss them in. Okay, so now that we have everything mixed together, we're going to start with our foil. So for each piece of chicken, you want to cut like a 12 by 12 piece. So we'll just start like this. Okay, so then what you're going to want to do is just try and scoop like an even amount of this with all your pieces of foil. And then we're going to lay the chicken on top and then just pop them right in the oven. Shift this all down. Okay. So now we have our mango here with our little mixture. And then we're just going to put a piece of chicken on top. Maybe I'll sprinkle the pepper flakes on this side, or maybe I'll sprinkle on the other side. So now I'm just going to wrap this up and then put them on the baking sheet and do this with all the rest of the chicken and then just pop it in the oven. This better be good. So weird. Oh god, I think there's a flake on there. That is a flake if I've ever seen one. And it won't get off of my finger. That's a flake. They're coming for me. Oh my mango. Mango delight. Oops.
To mango or not to mango?
To mango. All done. So a tip that I can give you guys is to make sure you use heavy duty foil, otherwise when you're wrapping things up it's gonna rip and your stuff is gonna get everywhere and it's just gonna become like a big mess. So now that it's all done, I'm going to plop this right in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. If I have right here, you want to put it on the grill, you're gonna wanna set the grill for at 450 degrees and cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Plop y'all in. Oh my hot, hot, hot. Let's put a timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so while we have the chicken in the oven, I'm going to give you guys some nutrition facts on a couple of the key ingredients that we use today. So I'm going to talk about the lime, mango, and the pineapple mint. So for lime, it's very high in vitamin C, and what that's important for is to boost your immunity. And how does it do that? So basically it helps increase the production of your white blood cells. Now your white blood cells are what helps protect your body and fight against free radicals. What it also does is help keep your skin healthy, firm, and strong. Now how does it do that? So what it does is it reduces inflammation and it stimulates your collagen production. Now the other thing with lime is that it's really high in antioxidants. Now what that does is it's going to, that was creepy. Anyway, what antioxidants do is they defend your cells against free radicals. So in high amounts, free radicals are what can damage your cells, and that damage is what leads to heart disease, diabetes, and many other cancers. Now for the mango. Mango is really low in calories, but it's full of nutrients, particularly vitamin C, like I just talked about before. Mango also has digestive enzymes, water, dietary fiber, and other compounds that will aid in your digestive health. Now for pineapple mint, that's something that's a little bit different, but believe it or not, pineapple mint is available year round. And of course, like a lot of other things, the peak season is in the summer, but we just went over right to Gasco's, picked some up, planted it in our planter that I've shown you guys in the past, and it just grew right up. So the pineapple mint is a perennial herb, and its subspecies is apple mint. I just thought it was going to be really cool. Like, we have a ton of different types of mint out there, but since we're kind of keeping with a citrusy theme with mango and stuff like that, I figured why not try the pineapple. We've actually never tried it in anything yet before. So pineapple mint, just like a lot of other mints, are rich in essential oils, and as we know, essential oils have a lot of antiseptic properties. So that's it for the nutrient facts for this dish. Okay, so we're all out of the oven. It's time to unveil the chicken. So over here I have the Mango Mojito Chicken, and then I just have some spinach here and like a little creamy sauce, and then over here I have some pasta with some fresh basil from outside, some cherry tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil, and that's literally it. And this is such like a nice, light, fresh, but really nutritious, and all fresh from the garden. So this smells unbelievable and it looks so good. Now it's time to try it. Let's see. I'm gonna cut off a little piece of chicken. I feel like I sound Giada. I'm gonna get a little piece of chicken and a little piece of mango. Stop it. Well, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you go and try this at home because it really was super delicious. Don't forget to give me your feedback in the comments below and to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, delicious recipes like this one, and food recommendations, make sure to go down to the description box and click that link right down below and join the fan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.